Welcome to the 41st video in the series, Foundations of Communist Organizing. Today we'll be going over the 1951 piece by Bourgeois, Proletarian, Dictatorship, and Class Party. This was on the reading list that I was basing it off of, but this is mostly about the role of the Communist Party after the social revolution, which, to be clear, does influence how the party organizes before the revolution in some particular ways, but at the same time, while this is a significantly longer piece than what I have written here, it will not show up in any manner except in some of the PowerPoints within the Dictatorship of the Proletariat series, talking about the question of the class party state, which, well, we'll get into that once we got that PowerPoint out, which will likely be after this series not likely. It will be after this series completes. And there are a couple of PowerPoints that come before that. So, moving forward, I've subtitled this Militant Vanguard Forges Revolutionary Material Praxis. The party's program is structured to fulfill particular tasks required within bourgeois society. These include the development and distribution of theory, analysis of contemporary capitalism, and the class struggle focused towards the state and revolution. While doing so, ensures the unity of the international vanguard elements that have shared, correct doctrine along with persistence of historical, theoretical continuity and maintaining of principles. Emergent from the understanding of the state and class struggle, along with what is necessary to carry them out, is a duty to prepare in advance for the final struggle in all ways, including materially, socially via propaganda and agitation, and building mass basis and experience through action in all immediate struggles. The party's role in the insurrection is to lead the working class as its general staff to destroy the military and administrative organs, whatever the form may take, democratic or fascist, of the bourgeois class state. And that's my summary of what this has to say about communist organizing of the party, distinct from the dictatorship of the proletariat, because as stated, we did that in another thing. So, as usual, if you'd like to go over the quotations I derived this summary from, you can go into the description below and you'll find a link to this Google document. You'll also find a link to the United Marxist Pact Discord server if you'd like to join and talk about this or anything else. That being said, tomorrow we will be going over the 1951 piece by Honorato Dahmen, Centralized Party, yes. Centralism over the party, no. And that will be the end of this. Thank you for joining me for today's topical summary, and I hope to see you tomorrow.